At Smart Glass Country, we believe in transparency, not just in our products, but in our expertise. Just as regular glass has its natural reflections, Smart Glass carries its own subtle character, a gentle crystalline signature from the innovative PDLC technology at its heart. Smart Glass combines advanced privacy control with remarkable clarity. Our Smart Glass achieves a Haze rating of just 2 to 4%. In daily use, most people can't distinguish between our Smart Glass and regular glass. That's premium PDLC technology at work. Here are our insider tips for optimizing clarity. Optimize your lighting setup for maximum clarity. Use dimmable fixtures to control brightness and position lights away from glass to reduce reflections and glare. For interior glass partitions and walls, ensure even lighting on both sides to optimize clarity. Think of vertical blinds. When you look at them straight, you have a clear view. Look at them from an angle, and you'll notice their presence. Our Smart Glass follows the same principle. When viewed straight on, you'll enjoy remarkable clarity. From wider angles, you'll notice a subtle crystalline effect, just like reflections in regular glass. Tinted Glass softens reflections. We offer gray and dark gray Smart Glass and film that minimizes haze. Our low iron glass eliminates the natural green tint found in standard glass. For the best clarity, we recommend our ultra-clear smart film with an industry-leading 2.2% haze rating and premium 7-year warranty. Ready to upgrade your space? At Smart Glass Country, we're here to help you create the perfect environment with our switchable glass solutions. Subscribe for more expert tips and let us help you achieve the perfect balance of privacy and light.
Smart Glass Country. Make ordinary glass extraordinary.